Hey, welcome. This is Stay Outside and Explore. Today, I don't know if you can see, but there's a ton of bugs on the front end of my vehicle here. And we're going to use this pressure washer. Now, I haven't used this pressure washer probably in a good 10 months, 9 months. So I checked it. It's got gas. It's got oil in it. So, yeah, I'm going to try to take some of these bugs off. Driving out in the country, man, you can really, it sounds like rain. It's hitting so hard. So all right, I'm gonna go turn the water on and we'll see what happens. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you don't turn the water on and you run your pressure wash without water, you can do some damage. I thought you had to I thought you had a little time, but I guess if you don't run water through it, you can do some damage. So all right, we're going to try it out. I'm gonna give it a few, and then I want to make sure that it's on. It's on. Okay, not like trying to start a motor with the switch off. Okay, let's give it a whirl and see what happens. Ball. Doesn't look too bad. When it was surging like that, or looking for more water, we live on a well, so the well pump was probably kicking in. So I'm gonna keep this out because my wife's car has a lot of bugs on it, and then we're gonna continue working on this today. The tree that fell, I got a lot of it down. Just got to cut up some more. I'm going to burn a lot of this branches and stuff. Might just have like a little bonfire going. This is a lot of good wood. I'm going to take it and stack it all up. And we'll use it for in the fireplace in the house. But it won't happen for a while. So, yeah. All right, we'll continue this video in a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna do my wife's car. build up. Alright, that should do it. I know I didn't get all the bugs off, but I got the majority of them off. You know, one thing, I got to show you guys something. All the plates in Wisconsin are looking like this. They're peeling. We pay $85 a year to have our plates renewed, and all the plates, including mine and the new ones, everything, are all peeling. You would think someone would have come up with a better way of doing these license plates. I know a long time ago, I think when I was a kid, yeah, that's a long time ago, they said prisoners used to make them, and never had that problem. I don't know who makes them now, but I'm sure it's all mass produced. So, okay, we'll continue on with this video. Hey, we're back again. Gonna change some wiper blades on my wife's vehicle. There are some long blades, 28 inches long. I've done it on this vehicle plenty of times. I just got to remember how I do it. So that I think you do. And just like that, it comes off. But let's just see how easy the new ones go on. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's see. Might have to go this way. Nothing worse than going on the highway and she loses a wiper blade in a pouring rainstorm. I can hear her call my name now. That's not it. I just wish they wouldn't mess with these. The old-fashioned way was just as good. Always gotta change everything to make it more difficult. I think that's what I did the last time, is I popped this one off and put the old one on. Let me see, I got extra clips over here. Which neither don't look like they fit. That's the old one. Let's see if we can. Isn't it just this plastic stuff? Plastic world we live in. See, it still doesn't. Bingo. This is what it should be. Take my glasses off so I can look at it better. Instructions are useless because it doesn't apply to all vehicles, so you just got to figure it out. See, I wish they had where you could fling it in there, you know, the arm like that. But no, I gotta change everything. Make it harder for me to work on it. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna shut the camera off and we'll figure something out in case I say a few choice words at this time. Okay, we're back, and we're still in the same predicament that we were 15 minutes ago. You know, I've worked on cars. I'm 59 years old, and I've worked on cars since I was 17 years old. And I've never in my entire life seen so many F-ups on designing cars. I tell you, I wish the fucking engineers would come out and do their jobs and go on site with this. Now you're gonna look, I'm gonna show you. Sorry I swore, but I'm just pissed. You're gonna see this right here. This is what they tell you that you should be having. Do you see anything like that? Is that anything like that? No. This is the clip that I had from last time and last time and last time. This is probably the original one that came off the dealer when the car was built. I went through counted two wiper blades, and this is what they send you, because they say that you're supposed to have that arm that controls in there. You see that arm? Do you see that at all? I don't see it. This is a 2015 Ford Escape, and every time we get these wiper blades, this is the crap I get. I wish these people would, when they design these vehicles, that they can go out and see how it is. I've worked on this car several times, putting rotors on, brakes on. I've never had so many problems with these vehicles. There's so many design flaws that they could improve and make life a lot easier. So I'm sorry I'm ranting, but this is how I feel. And now I got to put the old blade back on, and I'm going to have my wife or me take it and have them do it and let them see them struggle. Because the blades that you have, and I read the instructions, I even got a magnifying glass because the print is like mega small, and I even looked at it, and nothing of all of these clips go with these new wiper blades. So, all right, I'm going to put the old wiper blade on and call it a day. So, thanks for listening. I started this video out nice and cordial, but this just, I don't know what to say. So, all right, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, that's fine too. I don't give a, I'm just so pissed right now. I could throw these wiper blades. They're probably going to go in the garbage because she bought them a while ago. And I just decided now that, they were sitting on the kitchen table and I wanted to put them on, but not when I'm spending half hour of my time trying to put wiper blades on. I can usually put wiper blades on within 5 minutes. So, all right. Again, Thanks for watching, and we'll see you hopefully on a better video next time. Thanks for watching.